Hi, welcome to victoriabcvacations.com. So today I cleaned the garden. It was the grass growing really fast these days, and so I spent some time cleaning the garden, couple of 1 or 2 hours, and then I did planted some Asian greens. These are Centella asiatica. I repot them, and so they are over here, and it seems like this is a little bit shady area, so hopefully it will grow well for next 2-3 months. The next thing I did was my garlic plants are getting ready to harvest, so I pulled a couple of those, and so my daughter is going to record that I'm going to pull another garlic plant. Oh, they're not bad, good size. So what usually we do is this is the time to harvest, and so midsummer we harvest these garlic plants. There are 2 garlic plants together, and we leave them in a tray like this inside your garage or some indoor until they get dry, and then you can take the bulbs out. Probably cut the bulbs from this size and store them. Garlic plant has a couple of dry leaves here. I have like 3-4 dry garlic leaves. It is ready to harvest, so I'm going to pull this one out and see. I don't know whether it's a big one or a small one. Let's see. Average size one. See. Okay, you can get a close view of the garlic plant. So the weather is getting really warm. July and August going to be the hottest month here in Victoria, and so it's time for us to plant some vegetable that like more sunlight. Tomatoes, hot jalapeno peppers. So that's what I planted. I bought these big plants actually from the garden store. So they are cheap these days because the growing season is getting closer to end. And you see these flower beans, the yellow leaves are yellow. So this is not these beans don't like the hot weather. They are suitable to grow during the fall and spring. And so now it's time to grow vegetable that likes hot weather. So I planted eggplants, no tomatoes, and next month we are going to have a lot of sunlight, no pepper, and so the next 2 months we expect this to grow pretty fast. They are getting great color, but very small. They need to get much bigger, and so the end of August is the kind of right time to harvest these apples. See, some of these apples will eventually fall down. They're dry, like that. So and the pumpkin will grow pretty well next month or 2. And here I planted another new big pumpkin that was on sale from the garden store, and I hope it will grow well next 2 months and produce something. And I want to show you grape again. This grape plant here got quite a few bunches of grapes, and one here. There are quite a few inside. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Some more in there. Some more here inside, and here, small branches. We didn't expect this to have. See, some more here. See, we didn't expect to have fruit in this grape plant, but it's a variety that seems like growing really fast, and so I didn't prune it. So I'm going to eat this. We are going to eat this grape. So again, I will bring you another video clip soon, and have a nice day.